Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how I painted this pear and I'm going to share the step-by-step process of doing it. So here in my sketchbook I've already outlined in pencil how my sketch is going to be, and here I am taking out all the gouache paints that I require. Then for the background, I don't want to paint the entire background, so I'm just blocking out which parts of the background I'm going to paint, and then with my filbert brush I'm going to start painting the background. So I'm using the brustro artist gouache colors for this, and I'm mixing teal and titanium white for the background. I'm painting around the areas of the leaves and the pear, not worrying much about the finishing at this stage because it's just the first layer. Now I'm just going to take off the tape because the background has been completed. Using the same filbert brush, I'm going to take yellow green and lemon yellow to paint in the pear, and this is just the base layer for the pear, and we are going to add in the highlights and the shadows in the second and third layers. Here I'm mixing in a bit of sap green and viridian as well to add more shading to the pear. And here, using some burnt sienna, I'm adding the darkest parts of the pear. And now I'm mixing in some burnt sienna with yellow ochre for the branch. Now I'm going to add all the finer details using a liner brush instead of a filbert brush. If you like these type of relaxing painting videos, do comment down below on what you would like to see me paint next, and I will try my best to make it happen. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Now I'm going in with my filbert brush and taking some sap green and viridian for the leaves. I'm just making some simple strokes for the leaves right now, and I will add some shadows and highlights in the next layers. Now with my liner brush, I'm mixing in some olive green and black to give the darkest shadows to the pear. So this is the ugly stage of the painting, but Bear with me, it will get better when I blend everything in. I always use the filbert brush while I'm blending, so here I'm just adding some lighter tones on the top of the pear. Now I'm using the number 3 round brush and I'm going to add some more shading to the leaves. Now I'm adding some more colors, going back and forth, just seeing what looks good and mixing until I'm happy with how the leaves turn out. Over here I'm just adding some more texture to the branch. Now here I'm giving some yellow highlights to the leaves. Here I'm going to mix my darkest green with some black and give some final touches to the leaves and the branch, and I'm going to just outline everything so that it gives it a more cartoonish feel. And here I'm adding the final shadows to the pear to complete the look. Here I'm adding those little freckles that are present on the surface of the pear. Now I'm finally outlining the branch, the leaves, and I will outline half the pear as well to complete the entire painting. Thank you for joining me for this painting session. I hope you guys found it as relaxing as I did. Please subscribe to my channel, comment down below on how much you would give this painting from 1 to 10, and please share and come back for more.